Welcome to the all-in-one cryptocurrency course. In this lesson, I will tell you cryptocurrency wallets, or in other words, digital wallets. Well, here we have some characteristics of digital wallets that it's allow peer-to-peer transactions. It means one person can make a transaction to other person directly without any medium in between or authority or a system who takes decisions on your transactions like in traditional systems we have like banks are mediators between peer-to-peer transactions. So here in digital wallets or in cryptocurrency you can make a transaction from person to person. The next thing is digital wallets allow you to connect to any blockchain, but in depends sometime, let's say it depends on the wallet company, that they allow sometime in certain blockchain to be connect. And the third characteristic here we have is a transaction history, that you can maintain your transaction history itself. Every wallet have its transaction history, so you can easily can have a look your previous transactions, and you have a real-time notification also whenever transactions have been done. The one of the most important thing is whenever you create a wallet account within a wallet. So whenever you create a account for the specific blockchain, you will have a unique address. We call it public uh, key, you can say, or public address, which you can tell others to make a transaction into. Well, it allowed to make online purchases and bills. So most of the wallets nowadays are being able to make a transactions. You can connect with other platforms. You can connect with other merchandisers to make a transaction, to make a purchasing with. Well, it's fast transactions, as we know that cryptocurrency is much faster than traditional transactions. Is less expensive. It's more secure than physical wallets. That very obvious that you can carry with you in your digital devices. Either you are keeping the cryptocurrency wallet with the mobile or laptop or iPad, so that you can carry with you. Well, let's talk about what other digital wallet types we have, like how many types we have in digital wallet. So we have the main two types of digital wallets are, it's a hot wallet and a cold wallet. So what is the difference between hot and cold wallet? The main difference is the hot wallets are connects with internet. So all hot wallets connects with internet, and the cold wallets, the second time, which is the cold wallets do not connect with internet, so that's why they are more secure than hot wallet, because you do not have a connection with the cold wallet until unless you bring your hot wallet uh, assets into the hot wallet, from cold to hot wallet. So let's talk about some examples like the hot wallets are always connected to internet, so they are software wallets. The software wallets, in this hot wallet we have a software wallets, means you can download it, you can install it, or you can use it on your browser. So accounts can be created online only. So whenever you create, you have your connection with internet itself. But when we talk about the cold wallets, there is no connection with internet. It's a much alternative for long-term investors. So let's say if you are a long-term investor, better you choose the cold wallet, so you can store your assets for longer run, and that's sure that it will be secure because it's physically with you somewhere. You can store anywhere and carry with you until unless you connect with your internet device and then make a transactions. So let's deep dive into the what are hot wallets. In hot wallets which are able to connect with internet, we have web wallets. Web wallets, they let's say it can only be created within a website. So let's say most of the companies, they allow to create a wallet, um, okay, and then you can store your assets into that wallet, which is on to or into any specific website or platform. So mostly they are centralized exchanges. We call it CEX also, CEX. So these wallets are secure, sure, and they are hot wallets. They are, of course, they are connected with internet, and then it is stored to the website server. So whoever company or the website is, they store your assets into their server. So you always have to keep your login details with you to store your assets into the web wallets. And sure, you can make a peer-to-peer transaction with this hot wallet or web wallet, we call it. So in other word, in other side, we have a software wallet. Software wallets are a bit more or more secure than web wallets, because in software wallets you store your assets into your devices. So it can be installed into your mobile, laptop, or PC. You can install an application, and then you can create your account. So the assets will be stored in your device itself, and it can be recovered actually as well, because it's encrypted to that company. So let's say you every wallet have a public key and a private key. So these are public key generally is account number, you can say, but the private key is your password. So if you keep it with you, if you store your private key with you, so that helps you to recover your data. So this is the difference between. So let's summarize that the web wallets are the those wallets that you can only create into any specific website, or software wallets which you can install into your devices. Let's talk about cold wallets. So into the cold wallets, we have hardware wallets, which physically you can keep with you. It seems like in size, like most of the time is like USB size. Sometimes you have a screen on it, so you can see that um, like how many assets you have been stored, and which is totally independent. It's not even no connection with internet, but still you can check that how much assets you have and things like that. So mostly they comes with the physical electronic devices. They are very independent devices. They mainly made for cryptocurrency or digital things to store in it. So they generate random number. They call it normally RNG. And they have also public key and private keys. It is suitable for long term, as we discussed, and it can be connect with internet at the time of transaction. So this is the only difference, that software, the hot wallets are very quick to be used. So easily you can make transaction, and cold wallet you need to connect and then transfer your assets from from cold to hot wallet, and then make transactions. Well, the next type within the cold wallet is a paper wallets. Paper wallet are very traditional, or can say is obsolete almost, because there's very less use. It's a piece of paper, and you will have a QR code printed on it, and it's a contract. It's everything. The QR code which printed on a paper, and that QR code stores your data itself. So of course you need to very take care of your paper, and it cannot be publicly shared, and although your data is not that much secure. And the entire balance, the only thing which is very old traditional in this, in paper wallets, that you can only make transaction of your entire assets one time. You cannot make partial transactions from person to person like that. So you can only be bring your paper wallet assets one time to the hot wallet. So I hope you understand here, and let me summarize that we have mainly two types of digital wallets, hot and cold. Hot is very famously used, and in hot we famously use the software wallets. I hope you understand the concept. We will do the deep dive, and you do the practical how to create digital wallets and things like that in the next lesson. So for that, see you later. Thank you.